So, I'm currently waiting for the straighteners to heat up. They're already hot. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some hair products. So I was scrolling down my Facebook as fucking usual because I am a total Facebook sponsored posts whore, and I saw this. I just want to do a little bit of a disclaimer, guys. I paid £53 for this product. I didn't get sent it for free. I didn't get sponsored to do this video or anything like that. I paid my own money for this, and it claims to be a at-home smoothing treatment kit. This isn't a straightening kit like I thought it was at first. It literally just smooths the frizz out of your hair, and I saw there was a girl who had curly hair and she did a review and it looked pretty good. So I thought, I'm gonna give it a try. This video might take me a few days because I'm gonna have to wash my hair today and then let it dry, and that's probably gonna take a day, and then I'm gonna do the stuff. I don't wanna blow dry it twice in one day and then straightening it. It just feels like far too much. I only straighten my hair once a year to just see how long it's got, and this claims it will stop it from being frizzy, which I could do with, because whenever I straighten my hair, it literally, like, an hour later it's frizzy, and literally I might well not even straightened it. But I like to see how long it's got, so I do it anyway. So I'm just gonna open the box for you right now, and we're gonna see what's popping inside of here. So we open that up. Oh, no, I've just ripped the box. Lovely. Oh, and it's popped out. Lovely. This is going well, isn't it, guys? Okay, so this is the smoothing stuff. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. I like that you get it all together. They give you the shampoo and the conditioner because it's, it says on here, sulfate free and fluff, but it said somewhere that it's got no fluff. So I'm going to show you my hair in 4 different stages. I'm going to show you my hair out of these plaits, like I haven't washed it in like a week, so you'll see what my hair looks like. And then I'm going to show you what my hair looks like fully dry, but with no product on, like just freshly washed. Then I'm going to show you what my hair looks like after I've done the treatment while it's still curly, and then for the final result, I'm going to show you what my hair looks like whilst it's straight. And I'll try and find a picture of my hair before now, while it was straight, so that you guys can see if it actually made a difference, and I can see whether it actually made a difference. I know my friend took a picture last time we did it, so I just get her to send me one. I'm gonna go off and unplait all this, and then I'm gonna come back and turn around and show you it all very close up and very in depth. So this is the first piece of hair I've taken out. As you can see, like, it's got a bit of those little gross parts that are frizzy as hell on it, but apart from that, not very frizzy. But I am gonna brush it out and show you guys because it looks completely different brushed out. Now, as you can tell, my hair is just a frizzy piece of shit now. Like, look at that. You can't even, like, at the top, you can tell there's curls. But then as you get to the bottom, it just gets really fluffy and poofy. And so this is my hair half done. That's crazy that all that, well, let's take that bit out. Like, all those little plaits there make this big ass bush. And it's really long. I don't know if you can see, I've got just a bra on here, so never mind my titties. Just look at the hair, boys. Okay, so we're gonna, we forgot one. There's one left. Ah! So this is actually half of my hair, so time to do the other half. I'll be right back. So this is my hair after a fully fledged brush. I'm going to show you the back of it now so you can see the textures and all those types of things in my hair. So if we just stand right here, we can see, look at all that frizz that my hair has got. It's absolutely ridiculous and it annoys me so much. But sometimes you just gotta live with what you got in it. Well, I mean, I don't really have a choice unless I buy like a £300 wig, which I ain't got time for, or the money for, or the care to do right now. I don't know, I'd rather just do my own thing on my own hair. through the hair so you can see what's happening, what's popping. This is my hair a week or two after not being washed and just being in plaits the whole time. I literally have these products up here on it and this, so not using much. So now I'm going to go wash my hair, put it in twists this time so that it's easy to get out tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So hello, I'm back. This is the next day. I have put my hair all into twists. I've already retwisted these again because I've decided I'm actually gonna, when I do it by sections, I'm gonna keep the twists at the top in because it's too much hair, right? That's what it looks like while it's freshly washed and twisted, and now I'm gonna brush these parts and show you what it looks like when it's brushed out too. So that's what my hair looks like when it's brushed out. Still frizzy, still horrible, still a mess. All I'm going to do is retwist it back up. So after running into a few problems, I finally got everything I need. Turns out you need a hair straightener that is 230 degrees maximum, and the one I had was 185, so I had to borrow some. I'm going to do this side first, and here we go. This little last bottle, hope it covers all my hair. Make sure that you get all the way to the roots as well. And I'm going to brush each piece before I go on to the next because my hair is it absorbs water just like that. Right, I'm a bit afraid. I feel like there's not going to be enough, but my hair does feel fully wet on this bit, so I'm going to brush this. Then you have to make sure that the product is all brushed through the hair. Okay, it looks like I've already used like a quarter of this bottle, so I don't think it's gonna coat my whole head, to be honest with you guys. And if it don't, I'm gonna be pissed off. I am really gonna be pissed off and I'm gonna ask my money back. Okay, this one feels coated sooner. Maybe this one, that back one was a big bit. That's why it took so much of the product out of it. I mean, I hope that's the case anyway, because I'm really sad if this doesn't work because there's not enough product. I'm trying to do this as fast as possible so that when I finish it all, if my hair is still like wet, I can kind of see where the most driest parts are and redo them as quickly as possible. How much of the product have we got left? Bit more than half, I believe, so it is going to coat my whole head, luckily. Whew. Whew. I was scared about that part. And then I'm just going to basically go over my whole head with it, just spray it everywhere, spray it on what I can. Hair feels wet, but not wet enough, like, because it says on the advert or the thing where it says to how you put it on. It used to feel like your hair's been submerged in water, and it doesn't feel like that for me, but maybe it's a little bit different for people with afro textures because, you know, you actually need to submerge your head in water to get that sort of shit. Or spray fuck loads of product on, which we haven't got a lot of. My hair feels pretty wet, like wetter than it can be. Okay, we actually used all the product. So if you're buying this and you're thinking, oh, it might last me two, it will not last you two. It might not even last you one. If my hair was any longer, I don't think that this would have worked for it. So I'm just gonna flip my hair up and put it in a bun. Well, I think I am. I'm just gonna put it in a very, very loose bobble. And I'm just gonna let this do its thing for an hour. It's 11 minutes past 8 now. I'm going to leave it for an hour, wash my hair, come back, blow dry it, and then we'll see what happens from there. This is me straight out the shower. I've got a t-shirt on my head, drying my hair ever so slightly. As you can see, like, the liquid is completely soaked through already, so I'll be taking it off in a minute. But one thing I did notice is that my hair did feel a bit softer whilst I was like rinsing it out, so hopefully that foretells the future here. So this is the first bit fully dry. It doesn't, like, it feels a little bit softer. And when I say a little bit, I mean a minuscule amount. So on dry curly hair, doesn't really make a difference. Okay, so guys, this is my hair fully blow dried. There's still so much of it, there might even be more. So on curly hair, I don't really think it made that much of a difference. Then I'm going to, well, I've already sectioned that part of the hair, but it says to do it in tiny, tiny, tiny sections. So my guess is that this section would be small enough, and we have lift off. Okay, so it says on the thing, well, I've just read the comment and they said you have to go over the same piece of hair 8 times. Now, I know all you like curly hair girls out there like, bitch what? 8 times? You got that right, Amber? And I'm just like, yeah, I got it right. I'm just gonna show you guys what this part looks like at the moment. So it is pretty shiny, like it said it would be. And I don't see any frizz, but that's not, I can't really tell until I've had my hair straightened for about an hour. So I'm gonna come back when the whole thing's done, and then I'm gonna show you guys the final result. Are you guys ready for this? Because I wasn't ready for this. Yeah, I'm pretty quiet for a girl who wanted a refund like 10 minutes ago. Well, 10 minutes in your time, like fucking 2 hours in my time. But, have you seen this? Have you seen this? My hair, it's like it was just like this when I was born. Oh my god, I love it so much. I love it. I think it looks mint. I think it looks right shiny, and it's like proper down to my head, and oh my god. Bitch, what? Who is she? Who is she? Ah. Oh my god, it's so long as well. Look how long my hair is, guys. I recommend this hair stuff over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. After straightening it, it's mint. It's not very nice on my actual curls, but I'm thinking maybe because it says to straighten it 8 times the first time you do it, so I'm guessing maybe next time I wash my hair, maybe my afro will be less frizzy then. So if that's the case, I'll do a video. I can't stop staring at it. I'm proper happy with it, like, love it. Love it so much, look like a different person. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How shiny my hair is. Oh my, do you see that shine? I can't believe it. It needs cutting on ends because I have some dead ends. I never want to do this. It's amazing, I love it. So now I'm going to wait an hour, see what happens. We can't trust the straight hair until we've tested it. So I'm gonna go outside, come back inside, do what I just usually do in my day-to-day life. And, well, except like go out, I'm gonna be going in my back garden, not outside, I'm not breaking quarantine, don't worry guys. Okay, so it's currently 2 in the morning. I've been outside, I've been on my game, on what's it called, Red Dead Redemption, and I've had my headset on, and I think that this is looking pretty. And this is how it looks still. So I'm gonna come up pretty close. Yeah, I know you might be able to see my dandruff, but that's just my head, alright? OWOW could have improved on 3 things. Number 1, they could have put some instructions in the box. Number 2, they can make bigger bottles for people with longer or thicker hair, because it was close. And then number 3, I think they should make their own heat protection spray so that you know it's compatible with the smoothing kit. I'm cutting myself, so don't be rude. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. You know what? If I could like, subscribe and comment, I bloody well would, because I really enjoyed making this video and the result makes me so happy. And if you would like to see more hair tutorials and review more hair things, just comment them down below and let me know what ones you want me to do. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!